a major update na haltang-halta naman
Ay, ako meron din ako niyan.
is the weight gain.
Tama ka ba?
Sis!
Saan banda? Kit-kit mo talaga.
Don't touch my chub! But yeah, so I gained so much weight. I gained all of it back, like losing 70 pounds,
70 pounds.
and gaining 80 siguro. I don't know anymore. I stopped weighing myself because it's just gonna get... So after the whole betrayal, making enemies thing,
Oh.
like, I really feel like my body went into freeze mode. Kasi parang hindi ka makapaniwala what's happening, and then there's PTSD going on na parang
Relational
you're just
PTSD,
you're just so stuck and traumatized that happened to you. Eh ako parang I turn inward eh. Yung isolation talaga, like di ako lalabas ng bahay, wala akong kakausapin. I started traveling just to get my mind off of things. And syempre with traveling, dude, like I remember our 2024, we had 6 international trips. Tapos may mga domestic trips pa in between. And every time we're out, syempre kakain ka ng kakain, 'di ba? Parang minsan ka lang
Hindi
naman
kain tawag doon. Lafang.
lamon.
Oh.
So yeah, and now I'm dealing with it. Syempre nung una parang, and especially now that we're starting this podcast, I was like, God, ba't yan mo pa binigay yung podcast na to kung kailan ang taba-taba ako na naman? Why? Sana nung payat na lang ako.
My mindset is not to teach but to journey with
Right.
other people.
And to be real. As in, yan talaga.
I mean, you're a
Authenticity
real
again.
given.
I'm just in a better headspace na, hindi, kaya kang ulitin yan. If I did it before, I can do it again.